Arrive in style with this 2014 Ram 1500 Tradesman. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include transmission, 6-speed automatic, 65 RFE, incorporated, 3.55 rear axle ratio, power steering, MP3 player, split bench seat, engine, 5.7L V8 Hemi MDS VVT incorporated, electronically controlled throttle Hemi badge next generation engine controller heavy duty engine cooling heavy duty transmission oil cooler, automatic headlights, and AC. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.